Hey everybody. Hey. Max, do you want to say hey to Mama?
Yeah. Hey, Mama.
Is Boone trying to eat your apple?
No.
Yeah, I think he is trying to eat your apple. He just took your apple.
Oh no! My apple! My apple! It's gone!
Say, Boone, can I have my apple back, please?
Apple back, please.
Say, Boone, give me my apple.
Yeah, apple.
Please.
Please.
Give me that apple, Boone. Here you go.
It's Max's.
I know it's Max's.
Oh no! Oh no!
What's wrong?
Oh
What's
no!
wrong?
Oh no, I do not too!
What about what?
Apples!
Booney, did you steal Max's apple again?
Thank you.
Say thank you, Booney.
Thank you, boy. Help! Help! I'm dying! Help! 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 Help!
Booney.
Help! 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 Oh no!
Booney!
No!
Did you steal Max's apple?
Again?
Who pooted? Y'all are both nasty. You can what? Alright. I guess that was your first fight.